Hello and welcome to today's assembly. We're gonna start by singing a song, and I think you know what song we're gonna sing. Let me just see if I can remember the words. Yes, I know them. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello to everyone. Hello, hello to everyone. Hello, hello to everyone. I hope you've had a very good day today. So, we're gonna start with a game just to get things running. So, are you ready? No, I said, are you ready? That's much better. Right, okay, right. So, I'm going to clap, and you've got to count in your head how many times I clap. Then, after, you're going to clap the same amount of times after I count down from 1, 2, 3. Are you ready? Come, I thought you were going to be louder than this. Are you ready? Much better. Wait. What's 1 add 1? Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3, go, clap. Fantastic, excellent clapping. Proud of you. Speaking of being proud, I know that all the staff at Heronsdale are so proud of all the fantastic work that is coming in from all of those people who are learning from home. Thank you very much for all your amazing work. We are so happy to see it coming in and see you doing some fantastic maths, literacy, science, art, DT, geography, history. Did I say science? I said science, but all the subjects. So fantastic work from all of you guys. Not only are we so proud of all those who are doing their learning from home, we are also so proud of all the people who are in school working their socks off, making some fantastic dinosaur projects and doing some fantastic things in their classrooms. A massive round of applause. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Round of applause. Woo! Woo, 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 woo. Thank you to all of you pupils who are doing some fantastic work. Even though this is a strange time, we are all thinking about you and we all hope that you are keeping safe. And so that ends today's assembly, but we've got to finish it off with one more thing. And I hope you know that I love singing the song. It's one of my favorites. Get your waving hand ready. And goodbye, 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 my friends. We'll see you again, and so until then, goodbye, 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 our friends. Bye guys, see you soon.